Now the exercise 8.3 and the question number 6 is prove 1 plus cot square alpha upon 1 plus cosec alpha is equal to cosec alpha. Now its left hand side is 1 plus cot square alpha upon 1 plus cosec alpha. Change cot square alpha as cos square alpha upon sin square alpha upon 1 plus 1 over sin alpha. 1 plus cos square alpha upon sin square alpha. Take sin alpha as LCM. You will have sin alpha plus 1 in the numerator. 1 plus cos square alpha upon sin square alpha into sin alpha upon sin alpha plus 1. This can be written as 1 plus sin alpha. This sin alpha and this sin alpha is cancelled. I'll have 1 plus cos square alpha upon sin alpha, 1 plus sin alpha. Now, sin alpha, 1 plus sin alpha is the LCM. I'll have sin alpha, 1 plus sin alpha plus cos square alpha in the numerator. Now this is equal to sin alpha plus sin square alpha plus cos square alpha upon sin alpha 1 plus sin alpha. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. So this is equal to sin alpha plus 1 upon sin alpha 1 plus sin alpha. Sin alpha plus 1 and 1 plus sin alpha is cancelled. I'll have 1 upon sin alpha that is equal to cosec alpha. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Seventh sum of exercise 8.3 of exemplar. The question is prove that tan theta plus tan 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta sec 90 minus theta. Its left hand side is tan theta plus tan 90 minus 90 degree minus theta. Now this can be written as tan theta plus cot theta. Tan theta we can write it as sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Now the LCM is sin theta cos theta. In the numerator, I'll have sin square theta plus cos square theta. This is equal to 1 over sin theta cos theta. 1 over sin theta into 1 over cos theta. It means this is equal to cosec theta and this is equal to sec theta. Cosec theta can be written as sec 90 minus theta, 90 degree minus theta into sec theta. So this is equal to sec theta, sec 90 degree minus theta. This is what we want to prove. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now the eighth question is, find the angle of elevation of the sun when the shadow of a pole h meters high is √3 h meters long. Now figure of this question is, now you have to find the angle of elevation of the sun when the shadow of a pole h meters high is √3 h meters long. Now AB is a pole and BC is a shadow of a pole. The height of this pole is h meter and the shadow is √3 h meter. I am to find this angle. Now listen again. AB is a pole, its height is h meter. BC is a shadow of a pole and its length is √3 h meter. I am to find this angle theta. Now this is perpendicular. This is base. This is hypotenuse. Now perpendicular upon base, that is AB upon BC, is equal to tangent theta. Now AB here is h meter and BC here is √3 h meter. That is equal to tangent theta. H and H cancel. So I have tangent theta is equal to 1 by √3, and which is equal to tangent 30 degree. It is tangent theta is equal to tangent 30 degree. So it implies theta is equal to 30 degree. That is the angle of elevation of the sun when the shadow of a pole h meter high is √3 h meter long. Now the ninth question is, if √3 tangent theta is equal to 1, find the value of sine square theta minus cos square theta. So √3 tan theta is equal to 1. It means tan theta is equal to 1 by √3. That is equal to tan 30 degree. Now it means tan theta is equal to tan 30 degree. So it implies theta is equal to 30 degree. I am to find the value of sine square theta minus cos square theta. Substitute the value of theta. So I'll have sine square 30 degree minus cos square 30 degree. Now sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, that is whole square now. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 whole square. Cos 30 is √3 by 2. √3 by 2 whole square. So this is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. 4 is the LCM, 1 minus 3. That is minus 2 by 4. 2 2s are 4 minus 1 by 2. So value of sine square theta minus cos square theta is minus 1 by 2. That is the answer. Now the 10th question is, a ladder 15 meters long just reaches the top of a vertical wall. If the ladder makes an angle of 60 degree with the wall, find the height of the wall. Now its figure is, now AC is a ladder which is 15 meters long. AB is a wall. So this ladder makes an angle of 60 degree with the wall. I am to find the height of the wall. I am to find height of AB. Now since angle is with AB, since angle is with the side AB, so this is the base. This is the perpendicular and this is the hypotenuse. So please remember, this angle is with this side. So this is the base. Now base upon hypotenuse is equal to cos 60 degree. Now base here is AB and hypotenuse is AC is equal to cos 60 is 1 by 2. I am to find the value of AB and AC is given 15 is equal to 1 by 2. So AB is equal to 15 by 2 meter. So that is the answer.